In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook cannot add friends. So if you're trying to send friend requests to other people within Facebook and not being able to do so, in this video, let me show you a couple of common solutions that you can try out. Now there can be a few cases to this. Firstly, what you need to do is check for mutual friends. Many users set their privacy to friends of friends, meaning that if you are not mutual friends with them within Facebook, you won't be able to send any sort of friend request to them. So you'll need to first of all check their profile. You'll need to see if you can actually send them friend requests. Second thing what you need to check out is you need to check out for your own friends list. If your friends list within Facebook has reached 5,000 friends, in this situation as well, you would not be able to add in more friends. Instead, what you need to do is remove some of your other friends, and then only you'll be able to add in new friends. So make sure you keep that in mind. As well as if you try to spam friend requests to many people all at once, this may be also the issue that you're facing. So in this situation, what you can do is just wait out 24 to 48 hours before you can try to send the friend request again. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook cannot add friends issue. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.